Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at Flatbridge. That is Flatbridge on the right. It is the oldest bridge in Jamaica, and it is also the oldest bridge in the Caribbean. And it's still in use today. There you can see that massive truck, or that big truck coming across. Now this is a single lane bridge built back in the 1600s, and it's still in use today. Job well done to whoever built this bridge, 500 or 400 years ago. But today we want to ask a question. Why don't they build a new bridge to replace Flatbridge? Now, look at the size of the trucks that use Flatbridge. You saw about 4 of them pass since we're out here. You see that stoplight? We have to wait until that traffic comes across because it's a single lane bridge. Now where we are, you could easily build a bridge going straight. Where you see that yellow sign, just build it straight across the Rio Cobra onto the other side. A bridge that can carry 2 lanes of traffic, so you don't have to stop and wait. I would not interfere with the Flatbridge. It is a historic site. I mean, they don't build bridges like this anymore. Let it stay as a historic site. You can use it if you want, and if it's not a truck, I wouldn't advise that they let trucks use it because you don't want to damage it. And build a new bridge that takes you across the Rio Cobra and drops you somewhere out here. It's not that hard. I mean, we have China Harbour Engineering Company in Jamaica, one of the 10 largest construction companies in the world. They could build that bridge in less than 60 days, if not 30 days. Just where you see the stoplight, just go straight across and merge it back with this somewhere on this road. Simple. So guys, what do you think? And with all the development taking place in Jamaica, literally every road in Jamaica has some sort of construction going on. And with the Spark project to start, where they're going to fix 2,000 community roads in Jamaica, you're going to have to move material across the island. And most of the aggregate comes from St. Thomas. And to get to the north coast, this is the route you would take, because if you go on the highway, you're going to have to spend a lot of money on toll. And this is a very scenic route. I mean, look at how nice out here is. This is truly one of the nicest drives I can see in Jamaica in terms of scenery. This area, Holland Bamboo and Fern Gully. And Fern Gully, you're not supposed to drive trucks through there because you don't want to damage the area. I'm not sure if any such rule applies to Holland Bamboo, but with the trucks getting bigger and bigger, really they should really look at the size. There should be a limit as to the size of the truck that can go across Flatbridge. Now, on more than one occasion, a truck or a vehicle has broken down on Flatbridge, and that causes a major traffic problem. Major traffic. When the gorge is blocked, you have to turn around and go back to either Linstead to get on the highway or go over Sligoville. Major traffic nightmare. And unfortunately, it's a flat bridge, single lane. Cars have accidentally gone over the side. So I think it's time to build a new bridge and not demolish Flatbridge, keep it as a historic site, but I think it's time we get another bridge for the traffic to drive on. So guys, let me know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. And I'm trying to remember, guys, if you can remember, leave a comment in the section below. has the government ever done a study or did a project to find out the cost of building a new bridge in Boardwalk? I can't remember ever hearing of any project or any study done to build a new bridge here. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.